In October, usually the first week of October, the Jacarandas are in full bloom, and hence the name Jacaranda Music Festival. So the city itself, without us having to do anything, is already celebrating, it's already colorful, it's already beautiful. My name is Walter Wanyanya. I am the founder and director of the Jacaranda Music Festival. A few years back, we started a company called Ngoma Nehosho. Ngoma Nehosho is an artist development company. We do events, we do artist management, and a whole bunch of things that are linked to entertainment. So 4 to 5 years ago, we started operating, and we did a whole bunch of events in Harare, in South Africa, and Botswana, basically Southern Africa. But all those things were part of what we're seeing now is the Jacaranda Music Festival. So we started that. The first edition was last year in October, and this year is the second edition. Last year we were privileged to have Yvonne Chaka Chaka, who hadn't been to Zimbabwe in the last, I think, 10 years. So she came back to Zimbabwe and she really enjoyed it. We had Mikasa, we had Mukumba, we had Oliver Mtukudzi, we had young bands like Jesa, artists like Nobel Masamba, a lot of artists, a lot of young artists, but we had about a total of 14 acts on our stage. To put an event like this together, it takes a great deal of work, it takes commitment, it takes a very good team. So we have a very good team in Ngoma Nehosho, and I'm really, really blessed to have had people that I've been working with for the past 10 years, that we've gained experience working together in the different aspects of the festival and how to put together events, from technical, hospitality, to just being able to to manage the whole event. So yeah, it's really, really amazing that we've got a good team together. Last year we had a very good turnout. We had about 6,000 people that came to the festival, and it was a pretty good start for a first edition of that kind of festival. Managing Dr Mtukudzi was an honor and a privilege. It's something that I don't take for granted, and I really was privileged to have worked with him in the last years of his life. And last year was amazing to have him there, and it's a vision that I'd told him before, so he knew exactly what we're wanting to achieve and what we're doing, and he did all he could to be able to help us to do the event in physical labor, and assisting us in getting, like, we had a whole bunch of hay bales on the day of the festival. He personally brought those in all the way from Norton to Harare for us, and we're gonna feel his absence this year, and we hope that this year we put together something that honors him, and something that continues in his legacy and what he stood for as far as music is concerned, as far as communities are concerned, and as far as supporting young artists are concerned. So we definitely hope that this is something that we continue as part of the Jacaranda Music Festival. To make this event possible needs a lot of partners, needs a lot of people that are like-minded, a lot of people that buy into the vision that we have to be able to deliver an excellent event, an excellent experience. So because the festival for us is more about the experience from beginning to end. So we want to bring together an experience. So there are a lot of partners out there who are also big into giving people a full experience in entertainment and a full experience in community development things, in artist development purposes. So those are the partners that we're seeking, and the partners that we would want to hold hands with us and be able to to deliver this festival annually without fail and excellently.